You may be asking yourself if it's too late to start your own YouTube channel. 2021 is fast approaching, and I will tell you that it's never too late. I created this channel in May this year, but consistently uploaded videos only in September up to this day. And so far, I am really enjoying creating various content for you, my lovely viewers. So is it too late? Absolutely not. Now is the perfect time to create your channel and start sharing your knowledge and skills out there for the world to see. Who knows, 2021 might be the year for you to go viral. Let's now see my demo on how to set up your channel. I am using a desktop PC in setting up this channel. You can also do it in mobile phone, but personally, I prefer using a desktop because there are more features you can access using it. After signing in your Google account, click your profile picture, then choose Create a Channel. A pop-up window will appear. This starts your journey as a new content creator. Click Get Started. You will be asked to select between using your name as shown in your Google account or using a custom name for your channel. In this demo, I will select a custom name. It is advisable that before you create your channel, you already have a channel name prepared. I have a video on how to create your channel name, and I will put the link in the description below. Type your preferred channel name. Read and click the agreement below. Then click Create. Congratulations! Your channel has been created. There are some things you can add in your channel, such as your logo and channel description, which you can set up later. But nevertheless, you can already upload videos on your channel for the world to see. Creating your channel is very easy, right? Comment down below if you feel that 2021 is your YouTube year. Start uploading your videos.